Curtain Wire Kit Installation Guide. We will show you how to install a curtain rod into a concrete wall. All the hardware you need is in the package. There are also 2 toggle bolts for mounting into drywall. You will also need a drill, wire cutters, screwdriver, tape line, and a marker. First of all, mark the place where you want to install the first mounting bracket. Drill a hole in the marked spot. Take the plastic anchor and mount it into the wall. Unscrew the round plate A of the mounting bracket. Take the round plate and the screw. Screw the round plate into the wall. Repeat these steps for the second mounting bracket. Unscrew part C from the mounting bracket. Bolt down the wire lock. Drive one end of the wire through part C. Secure the wire with the wire lock using the provided hex key. Leave 1 inch from the edge. Screw part B into the mounted round plate. Join part B and part C together. But don't screw it in all the way yet. We're done with the second mounting bracket. Let's go back to the first bracket. Join parts A, B, and C of the mounting bracket together. Measure the desired length and cut off the excess wire. Unscrew part C and pass the wire into it. Secure the wire with the wire lock, leaving near 1 inch from the edge. Join part B and part C together. Adjust the tension by tightening the part C from the both sides. Now you can place the hooks on the wire and hang your curtains.